with that, we're going to have another special kind of Alphorn opportunity here. Mickey Van Kappelen has actually created a piece for our club. I was practicing it. We were lucky enough to have Ashley come join our group recently, and luckily she was able to play the Alphorn. How fantastic is that? So we now have 2 Alphorn players. I do believe there'll be some other Alphorns this evening as well, but now we'd like to present you with our special, what's it, Ensianer? Or just Ensian? Just Ensian. Thank you guys. Thank you guys very much, and thank you for composing that piece for us, Mickey. Okay, so now we're going to move into our Ensian Erentans. This is in honor of all of you for coming and being part of this. We actually have 3 pieces that we're going to do tonight. Finsterauer, our version of Gamsprung, and then we'll do the Glassel, and we'll have a special guest after that I'll pop back on the microphone for. So here we go. I got to take my jacket off.
You're not doing that. Stop. Put a beer on the way.
Okay. As I mentioned, we have a special guest. Mickey, you're in trouble. Deanne has agreed to help us scare away any evil spirits. You haven't seen this before, I'm jealous, because I'm a horse guy too, and here we go.
What a lasso yourself.
Why don't you do one more round of applause for that? That was amazing. Thank you. Okay, we're going to do just a short little transition here. Hoppy Hans is getting ready to come up. We have another Carolyn moment that we're going to share with you. Again, we'll may have a few sad eyes in the house, but we're going to turn it around and make sure we have some fun and get back to what Carolyn would want us to do. So stay tuned. It'll just be 2 or 3 minutes here.